Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the PM callouts for tomorrow's trades. Oh boy, today is 13th, 11/13/23. And of course, we have the safetytrade.com. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening to everybody. And let me go over here. Let's go over to here and grab this. That was good. Copy. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Be right with you. I'll just have a few things to tidy up with as usual. And we don't care about that. We do care about this. Copy. YouTube. We go down here. All right. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Hope you all had a great day. How's everybody's day out there? I'll be going over some call outs, go over some training, won't be in a rush. I don't know if you've ever seen this. This is a withdrawal, actually from Eagle FX. And the amount is right here, $11,950. I do these regularly, but I don't usually show you. I showed you one other time a withdrawal. So that's all. All right. Anybody have any questions before I get going? Give me a second. I'll be right with you all. Not live on TikTok. They banned me for 2 days for what was the reason? For gambling. Kind of weird. Usually they ban me for hate speech, which I get because they do rip people new asses. I get it. All right, so we're done with that. Done over here. Coming over here. Now I can see who's here. Let's see who's here. Good evening, Tank Dog number 1, JHMB1 number 1. Hello. Shorts and Wild Dreams. Good evening, Yolanda. Good evening, DreamWorks and Toy Buy System. Can't wait. Nice. Shorts and Wild Dreams. Can't wait for you too. Good evening, Brian Claus. Good evening, Aladar 2. Good evening, Moto 3330. Okay, good evening, Moto. Good evening, Jeraz 1200. Good evening, everybody. We're going to be making some call outs this evening. Good evening, Evan Jaruski. Good evening, D Nice. What's up, D Nice? So yes, we're going to be going over quite a few things, not the least of which, what's up, Ruben? This withdrawal, by the way, that you're looking at, actually, I withdrew some money just the other day, like, I don't know, last month, whatever, it was like $5,000 for something. Anywho, and it took a little bit of time. It literally took probably about half hour, 45 minutes to get approved and all this bullshit. Well, long story short, this one, they approved this $11,950 one, in like minutes, like 20 minutes, 15 minutes. Boom, popped out in my Coinbase just like that. Now, Coinbase sucks for buying, but Coinbase is fantastic for withdrawing. I can withdraw that money from Coinbase into my account like in 2 seconds. So, and not trying to flex or any bullshit. Just want to show you that you can withdraw money out of Eagle FX very easily. They're having a little issue with our government overreaching, but I've seen it happen before. So I'm just taking out a little bit of my money here or there, getting things lined up with a new broker and stuff like that. I just think that our government's going to eventually force them to do stupid shit. But if anybody has any questions about it, by the same, let's go with JTFX. What's up, buddy? Good to have you back. Good evening, sir. Good evening, Cliff. You're a different Cliff. Good evening, Tony. Good evening, L. Good evening, Ruben. All right. So we're all good on the withdrawal then. Just wanted you to see how that works kind of thing. They do not take their time. They are very quick. They are very accurate. I've never had an issue withdrawing. I've withdrawn over $20,000 out from Eagle FX before at a given time. I've withdrawn 12 and 1,500 and 1,200 like 5, 6, 7, 8 times in a day before they never give me an issue. So Eagle FX never gives me any issues with anything. Just so we're all on the same page. Okay, so no questions. Awesome. Now, we're going to go over some of the evening call-outs. So I'm going to do that first. Then we're going to go over some trading. Then I'll go over some training with you guys. And it's all going to be happening now. Good evening, CV. Good evening, Kim, the candle envy lady. Good evening, Kim. All right. You guys just missed the withdrawal, but hopefully you'll see it again in a little bit. Okay. So here we go. I'm going to start with U.S. oil unless somebody has some kind of questions. Oh, I do have some trades going. I have these trades going, just so we're all on the same page here. Sorry. Actually, I'm going to close one down. All right. I have these 4 trades. I have this trade up here is a, well, I guess I can pull this over for you guys. It's only on thing. Well, I'd rather not. All right. I have this one going from gold from October the 9th. This is a buy on October the 9th. Then I have this one from Friday. This right here is NAS 100 buy. And then this one right here is a gold again today buy of 800. Actually, I'm closing that one down. And then this one right here is a buy NAS today of $5,000. So this is NAS from Friday. This is a buy from NAS today, 5,000. So we're going to go over how I made these trades right now. And we're going to see how that works out for us. Okay. So let me go over to here. Boop. Go over to there. Make this a little bit smaller so I don't have to worry about it. All right. From Mexico, we say hello. It's Rock the. What's up? Jay Parker, Rock the Bach from Mexico. We'll take a look when you're done. Awesome. All right. So here we go. Heading back to Vegas, by the way. Couldn't be happier. No more stupid ass. Oh, God. I loved where we stayed. It was fine. It was a beautiful condo. But no, condo living isn't for me or Bri. We love big spaces, big areas. So we rented a whole entire house with a big ass pool and a big ass hot tub, beautiful view of the mountains. So we have a house. We're going to stay there for a minimum of 3 months, possibly 4 months. And knowing me, probably 4 months this time. So that's what we're doing. We're heading back to Vegas. We had talked about going. Now, what we're going to do in between then or after then, we're going to go to Italy like for a week. We're going to go to Mexico for like a week. We're going to go to wherever for like a week. Yeah, I actually want to go to Hawaii too. So we're going to do those places for like a week, but we're going to make Vegas our main 3-4 months every year, maybe even 6 months, actually 6 months in a day. No income tax there. So we'll see. We'll just see how it plays out with everything. But right now we have the house. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. And it's in a very nice area of Vegas. So very, very happy. Just thank God for that. So that'll be happening next year, Lord willing. We have the house. It's all set to go. All right. Now, it's nice, but we are going to do Vegas this next year as well. Absolutely, Jay Parker. Love it. So much to do there. Don't you get bored? Nope, not at all. All right. So I'm going to go over all these trades, the US oil, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, GBP, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to go over all these. Then I'm going to go over how we make the trades like from today. So you can see that in action. Oh, nice. The fuck is this going on? This is US oil, UK and US oil. I'm assuming it's shooting for the blue line. No, it is not. Holy shit. What the hell's going on? USO is a 5-minute buy stop. 5-minute buy stop. Too late. Can't get in oil. Too late on the buy. Too late on the buy. It's a 5-minute buy. 1 minute buy stop to the 5-minute blue line. Play any 1-minute buy stop you can get to the 5-minute blue line of oil. And that matter of fact, I believe we're going to go to the 15. Oh, it is the 15-minute blue line. Sorry. 30-minute. I see it going all the way up to 30. I'd play any 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute buy stop to the 30-minute blue line, US oil. 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour. Then I would look for a, nope, it's already edged up. 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily sell stop. Looks to me like we're going to arch back up, come up, do our ricochet, come back down. And then oil is going to be a monthly buy stop. XRP, let's go a little XRP. Let's see what she's doing. XRP, not much. Let's see, XRP. Oh, what is this? Is that real? What is this little buy stop? Must have worked out pretty well. Look at that. Is that just a glitch in my system? Is this just a glitch? No, it looks real. How fucking nice is that? Gee, I don't know. Anyone at all call a daily buy stop again? 4 hour daily buy stop again? Anyone at all? Anyone at all call this? Look at that shit. Boom. Nice. That was called today. You'd have made from 65 cents a coin to 75 cents a coin. Nice. What a nice little move. All right. Anyways, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, XRP. 5-minute buy stop, XRP. 15-minute, 30-minute, 30-minute sell. Nope, 1 hour, 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour sell, 4 hour daily buy, XRP. Weekly sell to the blue line, XRP. Monthly buy, XRP. Telling you, if this skips over that weekly, the monthly buy will be well over $2, $3, $4 and higher on XRP. Ethereum. 1 minute. Nothing that I like. Let me see Bitcoin real quick. Yep, nope, don't care. I'm going to go ahead and call Ethereum a 1 minute buy stop, even though it's not showing that. It's going to already ricochet, came down to the blue line. Yeah, it did it already. Damn, Ethereum. 5 minute sell. Ethereum, 1 minute buy. Ethereum, 30-minute. It's going to come down a little bit and then cook. 1 hour, 1 hour sell. 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop Ethereum. Weekly sell stop Ethereum. Monthly buy stop Ethereum. Bitcoin. 1 minute. Hold on 1 second. Let me go back here. It's the life of Ethereum. A life of Ethereum. Bitcoin. 1 minute. Buy stop. 5 minute sell stop. Bitcoin. Nothing. 4 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour. No, nothing. 4 hour. Coming down to the daily, going to hook and come back up again. 4 hour daily buy stop Bitcoin. Weekly sell stop Bitcoin. Monthly buy stop Bitcoin. If we can skip over that weekly, you'll see Bitcoin go to over 70,000 a coin on this little push. It's not going to go straight up. Don't get stupid. It's going to go up, down, up, down, up. It's going to head over there. That's where it's heading to. GBP, JPY. Let's see how we did on that one today. It must have been a lot of fun. GBP, JPY. 1 minute. Sell stop to the blue line. GBP JPY forming a 5 minute, 15-minute. 5 minute, 15-minute buy stop. GBP JPY, guarantee I called out this 1 hour buy and look how much it went up for you. Today you would have made 139 pips, 140 pips if you'd have listened to me on this buy stop. Told you it was going to be higher than the second one. I don't want to get into this too much because it confuses my brother. But basically this is, and there's an M in the middle. This is just a W. And whenever there's a second leg of the W, you can see one buy stop here, one buy stop here. You can see more importantly, the sniper here and the sniper here. Money all over the damn place. There it is. Doop, 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 doop. So that's all. So that's why the second one was going to be bigger. I told you that if I go back and listen, I would have said, hey, the second one's going to be bigger. This is a buy stop. So it's too late. Don't do anything else. Fuck GBP, JPY. It's too late. UDCHF, whatever I call for UDCHF is the opposite for ERUSD. ERUSD, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Oh, that'd be so tempting just to drop one in for you guys. 1 minute sell stop, forming a 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop, EURUSD, 30 minute, hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop back to the blue line, EURUSD, daily sell stop, weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line, EURUSD, SPX in a second, gold, 1 minute gold, 1 minute, gold, gold, gold. Buy stop. What the fuck? Where's she going to? Probably this might even. What's going on? What's going on? Come on now. Oh, sell, sell. Okay, hold on. Let me see the 5 minute. Yeah, we can get there maybe. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line gold. 5 minute buy stop, forming a 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop to the 30 minute blue line gold. 1 hour. Oh, it's going to do it again tonight. 1 hour sell. 1 hour, 4 hour sell. I am really tempted to do a 1 hour. 4 hours. So yay, yay, you made it fast. Yay, precious. Yay, precious. You made it fast, baby. Oh, how gorgeous. How gorgeous. Tell Mom I love her tree. All right. Now, I'm going to go over here, actually. I'm going to re-log into my Nadex account. I should do some of those things over there for you off my demo. We're going to come over here. We're going to log in. We're going to go over to commodities. We're going to go over to gold daily. We're going to go over to gold daily. Nope, I want knockouts. I want commodities, gold. We don't have a choice. It's weekly. I want to do a sell. See which version of this they're going to give us. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't cook. I don't clean. I don't care. And I don't care. $49. So we're going to do 2 of these, 3 of these, 4 of these. We'll lose $200 if we get knocked out down there, but I don't care. I'm going to make this our order, and then we're going to wait. Okay, sorry about that. I had to place an order on that little knockout that I'm learning. I made about, I forgot what it was, a little under 400 today, but I should have made about 5,000. It didn't do good enough. Anywho, all right. Gold, 1 minute. Sell stop to the blue line, 5 minute. Yep, 15 minute, 30 minute. It is a 1 hour forming, 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. It's going to come hook up again and come back down to the blue line again. Boop. Thank God I didn't touch that today. Daily buy gold, weekly buy, which I entered in perfectly, I got to admit. And then that's it on gold. SPX, 1 minute. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Let's see. Nope, nothing there. 1 minute SPX. And I'm going to give you a hint. It went up all day today. So before 9:30 or maybe before 10:30, 1 minute sell stop, gold towards the blue line, gold, SPX towards the blue line, NAS sell stop towards the blue line, 1 minute, US 30 sell stop, 1 minute towards the blue line. Once one does it, they all will. Whether it goes down and touches, I can't tell you. Will you make money on these trades going that way? Sure, why not? Good chances any. SPX 5 minute. Again, another buy. 15 minute, forming a 15 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour buy stop. SPX, let's see if the same thing's true here. 15 minute, yep, 1 hour. 15 minute, 1 hour buy stop, NAS. Let me see US 30. 15 minute, 1 hour. 15 minute, 1 hour buy stop, US 30. 15 minute, 30 minute buy stops. Yep. Well, it doesn't matter, but it is that. And these are my favorites. So we're going to go back to here. So it's the same trade. 1 minute sell stop towards the blue lines. Exactly the same thing. Okay, cool. So now we've whipped through all of these. Good evening, Raider Trader. Anybody have any questions over those? Anybody have any questions from any trades today? Ask away. I'm going to explain to you how I was able to call these trades out with such accuracy. And we now have an early version that is being worked on that is making our signal call. It's automatic. I'll be selling signals for the first time. This signal was called out this morning right here and right here. It called it out twice on the 15-minute. So we actually made 2 signal correct calls. These signals would be going out to people who are in the sniper only, and they would have to pay $100 a month to get like, I don't even know, 3 or 4 of them, $200 a month to get like 5 or 10 of them, and $300 a month if you want unlimited. I don't think you need unlimited. Hell, I don't think you need $200 a month. I think you can get by with $100 a month to make like 2, 3, 4 trades that are accurate. And I think you guys will make enough money to afford anything you want to afford. That's all. So, anywho, there we go. Perfect trades this morning. Just perfect. Look at US 30. Look at the 15 on NAS, and look at SPX. These are just perfect fucking trades. Perfect fucking buy stops. Look at this. So let me show you how we do it. And let me show you how many. Oh, look how close we came to getting tapped out on my take profit. Look at that shit. It came down and kissed it. I'm locking this one in a little higher up. Hold on. Yep, we're going to put this one. Oh, it didn't. Okay, good. We're going to make this one up here, a little bit higher. There we go. So we're going to end up taking profit on that. So we are literally up right now 290 pips on one trade on NAS, and we're up 49 pips on another trade, and we're up $98, $100 an ounce on gold. So those are my trades that are open right now. Oh, nice. Anywho, so we're going to go over this. If there's no questions, I'm going to go over how we did US 30 and how we made these correct calls. Risby too. I love you guys. Yeah, love you too, Risby. What's up, Wealth Creation Project? Good evening. She said, thank you. She should do that for a living. She should do decorating, not decryption. Hold on. Decorating for a living. She's extremely good at it. Okay. Dot da dot dee dot dot da dot dot da da dot dot da da dot da da dot 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 da da dot 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 da. Who is the username? Who is? I think I got how the system works. The top indicators. That's the bullshit detector. This one right here is the bullshit detector. It's reading that this is actually fake, and fake right here again. And then right there is actually another one. Red is down, green is up. The bullshit detector said this is a lie, that it's going to continue to keep going down, and it's going to hook and come up. That is correct. There's a little more to it. Spread on FTMO is 4 pips. Shit, that's crazy. Yeah, that is crazy. Yeah, fuck that. But at any rate, but there's other things to trade. All right, so let's go over what we do. So let's start from the very, very beginning. All right, here we go. What I do is I wake up in the morning. I wake up and thank God. I say a prayer. Whether you guys believe in God is irrelevant. There is one. Don't care. Argue all you want. Don't give a fuck. Then what do I do after that? I thank God. I go and do my Wim Hof, red light therapy, lift weights, do some cardio, blah, blah, blah. I do all that shit. When I'm done with all that stuff, I come in here. The very first thing I do is look at this scanner. This scanner right here is amazing. So watch right here. This scanner is scanning all 8 time frames, even though you would just see up to an hour. I have the advanced one myself. So anyway, it's scanning US 30, NAS, and SPX because we trade these 3 symbols as one. If one does something, they all do something. Okay. So I look at the scanner and I see, is any of these red? Or I might see like one of these turn red, like tonight. Let me give you a specific example of what I would be looking for in the evening, for instance. We're going to take this out right here, and we're going to remove these 2 right there. So what you're going to see eventually tonight is you're going to see one of these flip. And by flip, I mean they're going to go from green to red. When you see the one turn to red, it will bring these other two to green up. When you see this NAS turn to red, you need to go ahead and look for 1 minute sell stops to the blue line for US 30 and SPX. I'm not saying this is going to happen. I'm saying it could. So if US 30 does it first, for instance, say it was US 30 up here that did it, then it would look like this. 15-minute, you'll see the same exact thing occur. You'll see, I'll wake up in the morning, I'll see one of these red, like US 30 red, and the rest are green. I would look for the sell stop for NAS and SPX, but then I would also be looking for buy stops to fill in this red one. So it all depends on how they switch. Does that make some kind of sense to you guys that are watching? How many we got? 49. 7 for yes, 9 for no. Does that make a little sense for you? I'll wait. Okay, I guess nobody's with me. Maybe there's a big ass delay. Oh, nice. Okay. So there you go. Thank you, guys. And then this is all we do is 777. Okay, cool. And then we come over to here. And now I take, can you please repeat? Sorry, my computer froze up. Ron said, yep. Well, it's a little late for that, however, but here, what you see is this. You'll see, for instance, let me get this one out of here. I'll wake up at 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning. I'll look at this scanner right here and I'll look to see, whoops, you don't want that. Hold on. I'll look to see if I see a red arrow sticking out somewhere. And in this case, it could be US 30. If I see US 30 like this, I'd be looking for a sell stop on NAS or SPY, or I'd wait till later in the day and this one would actually fill in for sure. And this will turn to green. And then there'll be all 3 green arrows. That's all. So it's just a little check. You guys trade however you want to trade. Remember, I'm not a thing. Okay. So watch. This is it over here. And I'm going to bring this over here. And there'll be no more freezing of your computer, Jonathan. If it happens, you just rewatch the video yourself later. All right, so here we go. Now, what we do next is we're going to go ahead and look at our actual rules. And even though I made the rules, I still look at the fucking rules. So if I look at the rules and I have the rules printed out and I created them and I have them memorized, I know exactly what the fuck they are, you guys should maybe print your rules. Is your computer stalling on that one? I hope not. So look, I look at my rules. The first thing I'm looking for is either a green buy or a red sell. These are arrows on the back of the bull. They're not only cool and pretty, it's all we trade. How do we find them? For instance, sell stops A, B, C, D. Those are the rules. Memorize them. And then I come over here and I look for these actual rules right here where it says specific rules trading. Okay. Right here. What's up, Kick? And it says, if you don't see a clear, safe trade on the 1 minute, go into a higher time frame until you do. Keep checking the 1 minute, blah, blah, blah. I kind of modify that to the 1 hour, but still it's there. Okay. Number 2, it tells you which order they form in. Number 3, you may open more than one, but don't get suckered into a higher time frame, whatever, because that's what's going to happen to a lot of the newbies out there. They don't understand. That's why I'm forcing them to do 15-minuters. Once the safety trade finishes, meaning once it hits its blue line or hits it twice or hits it 3 times, they'll start to fizzle out and they're going to flip and go the other direction. So for instance, today we had a 1 minute sell stop. It flipped, it stopped, and then it turned into the 15-minute buy stops. Real life example today. Okay. As soon as safety trade is triggered, set your stop loss. That's a given wherever the pivot point is. Take your take profit, open up 2 trades, close one down, 1, 2, 3, 4 pips profit. Let the other ones run. Always move your sell stop, buy stop line up and down with things. And most importantly of all is rule 8. I wish I could have you guys read this. Always thank God. Always do good with your profits and always have my back. Okay. And always thank God should be self-explanatory, but I know a lot of you guys have big egos and you don't want to give them credit. Well, I do. So let's go back to finding these buy stops or sell stops on our logo. And we do that again by following our rules A, B, C, and D. So let's go ahead and take a look at that then. I wake up in the morning, do all my prayers, do all my physical stuff. And then this morning happened. And this morning I had an alert because we're now soon to be selling signals, Tommy. First time in my over 1 year, 1.5 years on TikTok and 1 year on YouTube career, I'm going to start selling signals. What do I look for? I look for our logo. So what happens? How does our logo form? Number 1, A, it starts below. Then we're told, hold on, I'm going to get over here. What starts below? Price action starts below. What is price action? It's just not candles. It's the price itself. Candles are bullshit. They can be lines. They can be Heineken candles. I don't know, whatever the fuck. They can be dashes. They can be arches. They can be anything. It just happens to be price right here is represented as candles, but price is below our yellow and red line. If you can see that, that's wonderful. So what is that? We go ahead and draw this out. We're going to look at this, and this is going to be our green. Then we're told to go up with our up arrow. So what does that mean? We're told to go up with our up arrow right here. It keeps going up. And then because of our bullshit detector right here, it's red. See this right there? It comes down, then it hooks and goes up again. But we don't want to make our silly little thing like this. Price starts below, told to come up, and told to come back down right here. Then boom, and then it came down again right here. So our what we've created now, what we're getting created based on our rules is being coded. So this is going to be an automated system. So when it comes back and does this, we're going to get an email or a text to your phone or your email address, depending on how we're going to handle this. And we're going to get a buy alert, which was given out today. I think it was around 2:30 in the morning, maybe. I forgot. I got up at 4, so it was before I got up. I saw it. I said, "Oh, that's pretty cool." Well, in the meantime, this is our logo here, but all that matters is, did the logo form over here on US 30? This is the 15-minute. This is the 1 hour. Let's take a look. Price started under, came up, retraced, came up, retraced, came up, retracing now, and let's see what happens there. So let's take a look. Did this occur? There was a pullback here. You can see clearly, and there's a pullback here. So let's take a look at this now. You can see here, there's a pullback. And then here, there's a pullback on the 4 hour. What matters is that this particular pullback here happened, causing our, this first one right here, let's go over here, causing this pullback caused our buy stop right here. And more importantly to everybody, that's not even important. The logo is all that's important. What's important after the logo is, number one, did this blue line come up? Did this blue line come up high right here? Did it start low and coming up? Yes, it did. So after our logo forms and it pulls back, we immediately go to the sniper, $150 a month more. The sniper looks like this here. And then if you look over here, you're going to see two. Did the blue line drop down on the 15-minute right there? And it did. Number 3, not as important. Did the pink line come with it? It did. Number 4, was there a buy stop? And yes, there was, with a broken block preferably. So let's take a look at all this together. You should take a picture of this. Here we go. Is the logo here on the higher time frame? It's only possibility of a buy. Yep. Is there a logo over here? Did it come down? It did. So all you would have saw this morning was this. So we're clear. Let me be clear of what you would have saw this morning. You would have saw, you would have saw this right here, which is a black future. You would have saw this right here like this. This is all you would have saw. So if we're looking at that, then what do we have to go by? Did the blue line arch up? Yes, it did. Number 2, did the blue line dip right here? Let me take another one off here. Let me get this one. Zoop. Yes, it did. That's number 2. Did the blue line drop? Number 3, was the pink line down also over here on the 1 hour? It was. Number 4, is there a buy stop right here? Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. This is all you would have saw. So you could have known that there was a logo formed on the 1 hour. There's a logo formed on the 15-minute. You'd have then saw the 1 hour blue line high, and then the blue line was starting to dip. Watch right here. It dips down right there. You can see it dip right there. You would have saw that live. Then you'd have said, hey, the pink line came down with it, and there's a buy stop. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. That's what you would have saw when the order went out. It's up to you to validate the order, because everything I ever do is always for fun. It's for educational purposes only. There's nothing to be taken seriously here at all. So you'd have saw this setup, verified everything I just said, and then, of course, it went up. And then, of course, this exact same scenario happens again. Is the blue line high here? Yes, it was. Did the blue line dip down here? Yes, it did. Is there another buy stop right there? There is, coming up right here on this one. It's a fill in the gap one, but it's right there. Does it dip? Yes, it does. Boom, boom, boom. 3. Does it come down? It does. Is there a logo here? So it's all the same. And then, of course, it goes pop and up it goes again. Second time's always the best time when you're forming, well, when there's a W. First time's always the best. If there's a second time and it's close like that, upward sloping, it's always going to go higher than the middle. But anyway, I don't want to get detailed with you. So that's it. So that's your buy stop. This is how it looked on US 30. The exact same thing happened on NAS. But I'm going to show you something with this. Watch how fucking cool this shit is. This is what I'm going to show you now with NAS and why this is so powerful. This is US 30 15-minute. US 30 came up and above its yellow line right here. NAS did it right here. NAS did it hour and 15 minutes later. NAS didn't break its yellow line till here, back a little bit right here. So you would have had, literally, you would have had over an hour to realize that NAS, remember when I left you guys, I said NAS still has time, NAS still has time. That's your buy stop for it. You literally could have had US 30, missed it completely. You could have missed SPX completely, but it was because SPX broke before NAS did too. And then you could have got into NAS with a buy stop. You wouldn't have got into NAS on a buy stop with a 15-minute. You could have, but that's not correct. You could have also did it with the 30-minute, which is better. You can also did it off the bounce off the hourly, which is what I did. You can see my entry right here. So it's just a matter of choice and how you get comfortable with things. But look, this is US 30 breaking of the blue line first. This is NAS breaking it an hour later. The blue line, the yellow line, sorry. And that's it. That's why I'm in 2 of these. I got into the first one as we were shown to do. Boom, back here. This is the first entry back here on Friday. Boom, right there. There's my entry. Perfection. There's my second one today off the 1 hour line. Good evening, Bob. Thank God for some. Thanks, Kevin. You're welcome, Jay Parker. What's up, Kick? All right. No, I'm not repeating any more shit. So does everyone get that? If you don't, rewatch it. I'm not in the mood tonight to repeat crap. I've done it about 5 times now. I'm good. So all this is because the sniper was high. The blue line came down low. The pink line came down low. And then you had your buy stop. Boom, there it is. There's your buy stop on NAS. There's your buy stop at the same time. Look at it on SPX.